All right, I have the 2021 Ducati Monster Plus right here. We're going to be doing an exhaust test today. I'll do a couple runs at, this is the stock exhaust, so I'll do a couple runs at 3,000 RPMs. We'll call it 7,500 RPMs. We will, let's see, I'll do downshifts from second to first because it does do a nice little crackle. The reason I'm doing this, the Termignoni exhaust is on order. I'll slip that into this video as well, just one after the other, same example, same place. This is kind of a undeveloped area that was going to be a bunch of houses and they seem to have stopped. So this would be a good spot to get a couple runs in and give you an idea. If you're going to invest a whole bunch of money in an exhaust system, this will at least tell you roughly where it's going to land. I mean, this hopefully will give you a good idea. There we go. All right, this is gonna be the warm start. So the bike's already been warmed up. I rode all the way here. I'll get the cold start in my garage. I'll do this full same thing with the Termignoni system. So that was about 5,000 RPM blips and a warm startup. So time for the flybys. All right, I'm gonna start with 3,000 RPMs, work my way to, we'll call it 7,000 RPMs. I'll do a downshift from second to first, and I'll keep it rolling. It's hot out here. And that's it. All right, moment you've all been waiting for. Here is the startup on the Termignoni system. A lot louder. All right, rinse and repeat. 3,000 RPMs, 7 to 7,500, and downshift blips with the Termignoni exhaust. All right, hopefully that helps somebody's decision. The gap between the two is substantial. It's a million times better. The bike feels lighter. It dropped about 15 pounds from the stock system. You can tell it stays a bit cooler. It runs at about 195 degrees now instead of about 205. So that's a bit nicer. But overall, hopefully this helped. I know these are expensive and there's not a lot of reviews for exhaust systems out there, so good luck with your choice.